AI is not replacing loyalty. AI is actually helping loyalty to deepen the customer relationships. Brands must own the customer relationship because that's what's going to make the difference in the near future. But AI is not replacing it. It's just leveraging that relationship and allowing us to be able to provide better options, better offers, better rewards, better service to our customers. And that's what we tried to explain today. Put your creativity at your service to make sure you reward beyond spend, because spend is no longer the driver. There are so many other things that we can do to make the relationship stay relevant. You can open your partnerships, you can open your partner ecosystem in a curated way to make sure the loyalty is in our everyday moments, in our life, everyday life. So to make sure that we embrace loyalty as a lifestyle. We used to have loyalty being managed as a cost line by the marketing teams with a static definition at some point in time of the customer segments, of the campaigns. And nowadays we cannot live with that approach because we want continuous learning, we want continuous understanding of the customer, we want relevant, just-in-time experiences. So something that we have defined in the past, static, and then analyzed 3 months after, it's not relevant anymore. We want to have the best offer possible for that moment in time for our customers. So instead of running the loyalty business based on the campaign return on investment, we should look at the customer lifetime value, because the relationships need to be longer, needs to be a long-term relationship with a customer.